गीतानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिधि नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna, everybody. Okay, we were doing Bhaja Govindam. We will continue. Last two verses were remaining, right? So we will just finish that today. Okay, Hare Krishna. Who wants to try? Yes? Who wants to try? Shiv Kumar Prabhu, you want to try?
Yes, Mataji. After you, Mataji.
Gheyam Gita
Game Gita
Nama Sahasram
Mama Sahasram
Dhyeyam Shripati
Deyam Sri Pati
Rupamajasram
Upamajastram
ध्येयं गीता नाम सहस्रम्
Game Gita Mama Sahasram
ध्येयं श्रीपतिरूपमजस्रम्
Deyam Sri Pati Rupamajastram
नेयं सज्जना
Niyam Sajjana
सङ्गे चित्तम्
Sange Chittam
नेयं सज्जना
Niyam Sajjana
सङ्गे चित्तम्
Sange Chittam
देयं धीनजनादयवीतम्
Dem Dina Janachavittam
देयं दीनजनाय च वीतम्।
Dem Dina Janachavittam.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Mother.
Understand from this. It says Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram. Regularly recite from the Gita and meditate. Dhyayam. Dhyayam means to meditate upon Shripati, that is Vishnu, right? Krishna. Rupamajasram, right? And in the heart, we have to always meditate upon Vishnu, and we have to regularly read Bhagavad Gita and chant his 1,000 glories. Neyam Sajjana Sange Chittam. We have to take association of sajjana or devotee, right? We have to take devotee association, take delight to be with the noble and the holy, right? In other words, we have to always be with devotees. And deyam deena janaya cha vittam. So distribute your wealth in charity to the poor and needy. So basically, um, we all know whom we have to distribute our wealth. It has to be for Vaishnavas and for Krishna Seva, right? So this way, what happens? We can easily remember Krishna at the time of death. The whole concept of Bhaja Govindam is to remember Krishna during death, so that we can go back to Godhead, right? So all that scriptures teach us is that one thing: how to remember Krishna at the time of death, right? So there are many ways, many regulative principles, and many ways to do that, and that is what the shastras teaches, right? Even that is what Krishna consciousness movement teaches us, right? So yeah, who wants to recite again this one? Now we know the meaning.
Mata, shall I try, Mata?
Once more, you want to try? Yes, try.
गेयं गीतनामसहस्रं ध्येयं श्रीपतेरुपमजस्रं नेयं सज्जनसङ्ख्यचित्तं देयं दीनजनाय च वित्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम् Govindam Bhaja Modamate. Thank you, Mataji. So nice after this meaning, Mataji.
Haribol, yeah, nice. Anyone else wants to recite this verse, and then we'll go to the next?
I'll
Yes,
try.
Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram Geyam Shripati Rupamajasram Neyam Sajjana Sange Chittam Deyam Dina Janaya Vittam. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Okay, now the last verse. Last verse talks about how to taking shelter at the lotus feet of Guru. Alright? Who wants to recite? Muthumanikam Prabhu, you want to recite?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Guru Charanabuje Nirbhara Bhaktaha Samsarada Shiradbhava Muktaha Tendriya Manasa Niyamadevam Drakshayasi Nije Hirdiyastam Devam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, thank you, Prabhu. So, what does this mean? Oh, devotee of the lotus feet of the Guru, may you be soon free from samsara. So, devotee of the lotus feet of Guru. So, before becoming devotee of Krishna, we have to become devotee of the lotus feet of Guru. That is very important. Guru is the one who takes us to Krishna, right? So, Guru Charanambuja Nirbara Bhaktaha. We have to be strong devotee of Krishna's, Guru's lotus feet. Then automatically we'll become devotee of Krishna's lotus feet, right? Samsarat chirad bhava muktaha. So you in that way, what happens? We can become free from material existence. Sendriya manasa niyama devam. So niyama, right? So we have to be disciplined. We have to, that's why we have sadhana, we have four regulative principles, right? We have to chant 16 rounds attentively. This is all part of discipline, right? Disciplining the senses and controlling the mind. Then what happens? We'll actually get to experience the Lord in our heart, right? Then you shall come to experience the indwelling Lord of your heart, right? Then we can see the Lord in our heart, and we can also see him face to face. Right? So now who wants to recite? Swayam Prabha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
I'll try Mataji. Guru Charanambuj Nirbhara Bhaktaha Samsarati Chirad Bhava Muktaha सेन्द्रियमानस नियमादेवम् सेन्द्रियमानस नियमादेवम् दक्ष्यसि निज हृदय संस्थे दक्षसि निज हृदयस्थं मे त्वम् द्रक्ष्यसि निज हृदयस्थं मे
हृदयस्थं देवम्.
हृदयस्थं देवम्.
Haribol, very beautiful, Mataji. Hare
Okay, it came out properly. Somehow I'm not happy.
You want to try the whole thing, Mataji?
Oh, I can't, Mataji. My throat, I'm not used to.
Okay, so all of us can divide and try, except the first verse. First verse we all will try, and then we'll go to the verse that we want to sing. Again, end with Bhaja Govindam. Who wants to try? You want to try first, Mataji?
Okay, but my tune is different, no, Mataji, compared
Little
to.
different, yeah. There's little difference. That's okay.
Okay, I'll try.
Hmm.
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले नहि नहि रक्षति दुःखिं करणे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते मूढजहि धनार्गम कृष्ण कुरुषद्बुद्धिं मनसि विसृष्णां यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातं वित्तं तेन विनोदयचित्तं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. Hare Krishna Mataji,
Hare
pardon me if
Krishna.
it is wrong.
Beautiful, Mataji. Very nice. Thank you.
Because I am listening the MSS notes, so that
Hmm.
tune only has come from many years I have heard. So that is the thing. Of course, not to her level. The tune I'm following that only.
To
I
her
learn yours
level,
also, Mataji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah, next, who wants to try? Next para. Anyone? Satna Mataji, you want to try? Okay, Shiv Kumar Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.
Wow.
Yeah, with
No. You can start with Bhaja Govindam, finish the whole verse, then you can sing this, and then conclude it with Bhaja Govindam.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Modamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kane, Samprapte Sannihite Kane, Nahi Nahi Rakhyate Dukriya Karane, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Modamate, Yavatvitto Parchana Saktaha, Yavatvitto पाचन सक्त स्तावत् निज परिवारो रक्त तावत् निज परिवारो रक्त पश्चाज्जीविते चर्चरते पश्चाज्जीविते चर्चरते वार्तं कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे वार्तं कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेहे भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Yeah, next, who wants to sing? We'll sing this verse. Ma Kuru Dhana. Sadhana Mataji. Okay, yeah, Muttu
Yes,
Manikyam.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I'll just try. I don't have the right tune, but
Ah, that's okay.
just,
Tune doesn't
yes,
matter.
yes. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Bhaj Govindam, Bhaj Govindam, Govindam Bhaj Moodamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Tu Pritrakarane. भज गोविन्दम भज गोविन्दम मा कुरु धञ्जन यौवन गर्वं हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वं मायामयाम इदं खलं हित्वा ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा भज गोविन्दम भज गोविन्दम. I'm sorry, Mataji. Just messed it up.
That's
No
okay,
tune at all.
Mataji. See, the tune for this particular song doesn't really matter because this doesn't come from our sampradaya. This comes from Shankaracharya, right? So we have adopted it because it talks about devotion service to Govinda. So you can see on YouTube, so many ISKCON devotees has sung this song in different tunes in their own way, right? So even I learnt, mine is also very the tune has little I mean, in fact, lot of variations from the original MS Subbalakshmi tune, right? So that is okay. For this particular song, tune really doesn't matter. And thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, now who wants to sing? Muttu Manikyam Prabhu, you wanted to sing? This para. Sura Mandira.
Govindam.
Yeah, that also, Prabhu.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Moodamade, Samprapte Sannihide Kale, Samprapte Sannihide Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshadi Dugringarani. नहि नहि रक्षति दुग्रिङ्गरणे भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमदे सुरमान्द्री तरुमूलनिवास क्षयभूतलमजिनां वास सर्वपरिग्रह मोहद्याः काश्यसुगं न करोति विराह भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमदे. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Next, Vanaja Mataji, you want to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, I'll try after you, Mataji. I am finding it difficult.
No issues. This first para you can try on your own.
No, Mataji, it is difficult.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam,
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
नहि रक्षति दुःखकरणे
नहि रक्षति दुःखिन् करणी माताजी I'm not
नहि
getting
रक्षति
नहीं रक्षति
दुःखकरणे
दुःखिन् करणी
या भगवद्गीता
भगवद्गीता
किञ्चिदधीता
किञ्चिदधीता
भगवद्गीता
भगवद्गीता
किञ्चिदधीता
किञ्चिदधीता
गङ्गाजललवा
गङ्गा जललव
कणिका पीता
कनिका पीता
सकृदपि येन मुरारी
सकृदपि येन मुरारी
सकृदपि येन मुरारी समाचा
सकृदपि येन मुरारी समार्चा
क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा
क्रियते तस्य यमेन न चर्चा
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
Hare Krishna, thank you. Next, Giridhar.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, you can try this.
One second. Mataji, after you, Mataji. Punarapi jana.
You can
Yeah, I'll
start.
sing. Yes, Mataji. Bhaja Govindam. Bhaja Govindam. Govindam. Bhaja Mudamate. Samprapte sannihite kale. Samprapte sannihite kale. Nahi rakshati दुक्रिं करणे
पुनरपि जननं
पुनरपि जननं
पुनरपि मरणं
पुनरपि मरणं
पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं
पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं
पुनरपि जननी
पुनरपि जननी
जठरे शयनं
जठरे शयनं
पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनं
पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम्
इह संसारे
इह संसारे
बहुदुष्टरे
बहुदुष्टारे
इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे
इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे
कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे
कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारे
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna, thank you. Next, Satyanarayan Prabhu.
Which one, Mataji? Punarapi or again?
This one, Gayam.
Okay. Fine. I'll go with
Yeah.
the first one.
Hmm.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, nahi rakshati Dukrun Karane. Nahi nahi rakshati dukrunja karani. Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram. Geyam Gita Nama Sahasram. Geyam Sripati Rupa Majasram. Geyam Sripati Rupa Majasram. Nyayam Sanjana Sange Chittam. Nyayam Sanjana Sange Chittam. Deyam Dina Janaya Chavittam. Deyam Dina Janaya Chavittam. Bhaja Govindam. Bhaja Govindam. Govindam Bhaja Muramade. Hare Krishna.
Very good. Hare Krishna, thank you. Now, last verse, who wants to sing? Yes, Prabhu, you want to sing? Muthumanikam Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah,
Hare
yeah.
Krishna.
Try. You can directly start with this.
Guru Charanambuj Nirbhar Bhaktar Samsharada Shiradbhava Mukta Sendriya Manasa Niyamadevam Drakshayasi Nija Hridayastam Devam Bhaja Govindam Bhaja Govindam Govindam Bhaja Mudamate. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, thank you. Thank you all. So, with this, we complete Bhaja Govindam. Any questions or anything you want to add, share?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can we also do Damodar Ashtakam because Damodar month is coming?
When Damodar month comes, no, that time we will start. Just before that, I think how many weeks left?
Mataji, it is either from 3rd or 5th, I guess.
Mhm.
Either from Purnima or from
Purnima only, it will start.
Purnima. Okay. Then it is 5th, I guess. If
I-
it is from Ekadashi, then it will be from 2nd.
No, not from Ekadashi. I think it is from 21st, right? No.
No. Mataji, 5th.
7th, I think, Mataji. 7th October.
7th, yeah, that's what I was trying to see here.
7th October.
Purnima is on 7th, no? So I think it should
Yeah.
be
I
starting.
saw in one of the messages, 7th October.
Okay, so how many weeks left? Today, what is the day? 28th. So 1 week, we need to start with Damodar Ashtakam. Next class. Only then we can, yeah. So next class, we will start with Damodar Ashtakam.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Okay, any other questions? Anything you want to say? Nothing? Okay, we'll end then. Thank you all so much. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अंतकोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्णा। थैंक यू ऑल।